Double header.
The National Weather Service in Peachtree City has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Morgan County in north-central Georgia, northern Putnam County in central Georgia, northwestern Hancock County in east-central Georgia, southeastern Greene County in east-central Georgia, until 4:30 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:44 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Rock Eagle 4H Center, Oregon, 7 miles north of Eatonton, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Eatonton, White Plains, Siloam, Phoenix, Reynolds at Lake Oconee, Liberty, Rock Eagle 4H Center, Veazey, Parks Mill, Harmony, and Shoulderbone. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. If you see wind damage, hail, or flooding, wait until the storm has passed, and then call the National Weather Service toll-free at 1-866-7-634-466 or tweet us your report at NWS Atlanta.